EZOMD welcomes you to the Easy Labs. And now the host of the program, Jay Appell.
Thank you very much. And we're back for the final video that ties everything together as we upgrade 5.10 to update 13. I've already downloaded the package, and here are the results. And I'm going to select this ePO updater. It is going to obtain all the information that it knows, which it did very well. I'm going to enter my password and then the little checkbox here for the license. Select continue. If there are any show stops, the next screen will show us, or it will allow us to continue. And of course, this will be just like what you might experience. The new install is saying, I found 551.124. Of course, this is the extension. If it has the word meta, it means it has an extension. And we need you to put in 572.100. Now that we have upgraded the agent to a later version, you'll see over here that it's now 576.251. 576.251. So far, so good. It should satisfy this requirement. And as a result, the double benefit is that the product improvement program, which needed to be at least 210.437, product improvement program 210, it's now 700. Perfect. So we took care of both of those just by taking care of the McAfee agent. And now what we have to do is put in the upgrade assistant. We're going to head on over here, and this is not a package. We're going to have to locate the software section and then extensions. And then install and browse to the upgrade assistant that is on my desktop. Select OK. This extension will replace the one that is there. The 210.39 is going to get replaced with the 211.070. And we'll upgrade that. It should take very little time to check this extension in. It is going to make a change to these pages. And in this case, it would be the endpoint upgrade assistant. Anytime you touch an extension, whether it's the McAfee agent, the upgrade assistant, DLPe, Drive Encryption, any of those products, it just so happens that it really wants you to be keeping this current. All right, it looks like that is complete now. I'm going to close ePO, and we're going to run this again. McAfee, please put a refresh button there. There's no need to have to keep doing this. We'll execute it again, put my password back in. The license agreement is selected. Click continue, and it said, hey, thank you. You gave me everything that I wanted. Perfect. We're ready to finish up here. Update 13. Now, what they do very well is they give you a history of all the updates. This update contains automatic checks for the following extensions, all the way from update 1 all the way to update 13. And all you need to do is just click continue. Now, if you want the details, you can open it up and you can see what it is that they're going to fix. Very nice. I do like the way they have developed this over the years. Click continue. And now we're going to sit back and let it install. We wait for our services patiently to begin. Of course, the Tomcats for logging into ePO. The Apache service is to allow us to be able to communicate to the agents that are out in the environment. And then the event parser is going to be processing all that event data that comes from the client and then gets placed over into the SQL server in the tables. All right, looks like we're done. Didn't take very long, and although this video is edited to some degree for clarity and to reduce the time that you have to watch it, this was merely just a couple of minutes. I'll select finish, and then we're going to log in and check the version. Head on up here to menu, and this has evolved over time where they call it the hamburger stack, the pancake stack, I refer to it as simply menu. It's the way it's always been, but they changed it. 5.10.0 build 2428 with update 13. Hooray. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I'm Jay Appell in the lab today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lab session.